Hey guys, Ambrose here. Today we're going to do a quick video on the Proven Harvest plants that we got from Proven Winners. The first one we have here is the Proven Harvest Goodhearted tomato. This one grows about 8 to 12 inches tall, so we're going to put that in this terracotta container here. And then the second one we're going to do today is the Proven Harvest Fire Away Hot and Heavy Pepper. This one gets 16 to 24 inches. Both of these are full sun. We're going to put these in the terracotta containers. We're not going to put them in the ground here because with our moving, we want to be able to move these with us. So we're going to put these in the containers and see how they do. And we'll do an update here in about a couple weeks or so and see what their performance is like and what they're doing. We're going to use the Espoma Organic Potting Mix for this as well. And we're going to use some Biotone Starter Plus to get these roots going, get them established, and get them nice and big and going pretty quickly. So I've already filled this up with the soil. I filled both of them up already. We're just going to add a little bit more just to get them a little bit to the top. We're just going to add about two tablespoons of that and mix it right up into the top layer of the soil. Alright, now this Proven Harvest Goodhearted tomato, it provides bite-sized tomatoes that when you cut are kind of in the shape of a heart. And so they're going to be good for snacking sizes and salads as well. And we're just very excited to see this one going and growing in our garden so we can get to it. I mean, we have a bunch of other tomatoes here that we're ready for them to grow and start producing, so we can just get ready to start tasting those guys and adding them to our salad and stuff like that. Like I said, this is one of the ones that we're very excited for getting going in the garden as well. And the second one we're going to do here is, like I said, the Fire Away Hot and Heavy Pepper. As you can see, this one's already producing some flowers and it's ready to go. We topped it just like we do all our other peppers, and it's got a whole bunch of side growth already growing, so it's going to be a nice bushy plant. Alright guys, so there you go. Like I said, just a quick video getting these guys potted up. Like I said, we'll revisit these in a couple weeks to show you their growth and what they look like. Like I said, we're just excited to get these going. These peppers, I'm excited to taste these, and the tomatoes as well. They're going to be great once they start going. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's a quick one. If you haven't given us a like, please give us a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.